In this video we are going to learn about proportionality. So we're going to learn in a few different situations what lengths will be proportional, and we'll use that to find some unknowns. For example, in problem number 11 we are told that GH is parallel to DF. So this line is parallel to this side of the triangle. When that happens, there's something called the side splitter theorem, which says that these lengths will be proportional. In other words, if I make a fraction out of these two lengths and these two lengths, those two fractions should be equal to each other. So I can set up a proportion. X over 3 should equal 6 over 4. And then I could cross multiply. So 4x will equal 18. And then we would divide by 4. Okay, so 9 over 2, or we could say 4.5. Alright, let's take a look at number 12. Alright, this is very similar. Notice that it all depends on these lines being parallel. But if they are, then once again, these lengths will be proportional to these lengths. So we can make a proportion that goes, for example, 6 over 5 is equal to 12 over x minus 1. So when we cross multiply, let's be very careful, because we're doing 6 times x minus 1. We're going to have to do the distributive property here. 5 times 12 is 60. So distributive property here gives us 6x minus 6 equals 60. Then we would add 6 to both sides. So we have 6x equals 66. Then when we divide by 6 on both sides, we get x equals 11. Alright, now number 13 is slightly different. You can tell that AD is an angle bisector because these two parts are marked congruent to each other. So it turns out when you have an angle bisector, it sets up a pair of proportional lengths in this way. These two sides will be proportional to these two sides. Alright, these two triangles are not similar, but yet these lengths are proportional. So we can set up a proportion that goes, for example, 7 over 10.5 is equal to x over 6. And then we can cross multiply. So I will have 10.5x is equal to 42. So then I would divide both sides by 10.5. Oh, it's not 4.2. Why did I do that? 42 over 10.5. 4. Alright, that'll do it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next video.